Welcome to this quick demo of Dragon Medical One, the industry-leading cloud-based speech recognition solution designed specifically for healthcare professionals. In this session, we'll walk you through how to create custom vocabulary, a powerful feature that allows you to add medical terms, drug names, physician names, acronyms, and even facility-specific language to ensure Dragon understands and transcribes speech with maximum accuracy. Let's get started.
Thanks, Beth. I'm going to dictate a short note into this EMR. Sarah Smith was referred to us by Dr. Warang after reporting sharp pains in her lower back for 3 days, period. New line. I am sending her to Yavapai Regional Medical Group for x-rays, period. So as you can see, Sarah Smith was easy for Dragon. Both of her names are in the vocabulary. But when I got to the doctor's name, I said Dr. Warang, which is spelled H-W-A-R-A-N-G. His name is not in the vocabulary, so Dragon wrote something that it thought was close. It wrote Dr. Walrath. We can add the doctor's name to the vocabulary so that Dragon will understand it in the future. Also, I'm referring Sarah to Yavapai Regional Medical Group, and I'd really like for Regional Medical Group to be initial capped. And that's another thing that can be done in the vocabulary. You can add custom phrases with particular capitalizations so that when you use certain words in conjunction with other words, it always writes it with the proper capitalization. To add to the vocabulary, I'm going to go to Dragon's menu and choose Manage Vocabulary. When the screen comes up, there's a plus sign that I can click on to add words and phrases and names. I'm going to go ahead and add the easier one first. I'm going to add the medical center. So I just put in the way I would like for Dragon to type out this phrase. And then I have a few choices. I can use the default pronunciation where I kind of leave it up to Dragon to decide how the thing is pronounced. But I can also, for better accuracy, I can go ahead and train it by clicking on the record button. Yavapai Regional Medical Group. Okay, so now that phrase has been added to the vocabulary. I can also add the doctor's name. Again, I'm clicking on the plus sign. This time I'm going to do the third choice where I am able to enter the word as I would pronounce it. So I get to enter the doctor's name, and then I can add a spoken form for the name. So this is the part, this is how I would like Dragon to type the name. Down here is what I'm going to say to have Dragon write this name. And again, I'm just kind of phonetically adding it to the vocabulary. Okay, so let's see how Dragon will do now. Sarah Smith was referred to us by Dr. Warang after reporting sharp pains in her lower back for 3 days, period. New line. I am sending her to Yavapai Regional Medical Group for x-rays, period. Great.
And that's how easy it is to create and manage custom vocabulary in Dragon Medical One. With just a few clicks, you can dramatically improve recognition accuracy and streamline your documentation process. If you'd like to learn more, schedule a personalized demo, or get started with Dragon Medical One, we're here to help. Call us today at 877-493-7497. You can email us at info@ZephyrTec.com or visit ZephyrTec.com. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you transform your clinical documentation with Dragon Medical One.